Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to a beautiful day. It did rain a little bit in the morning, but I see the sun. It is warm, it is a little bit windy. We're getting there. I think tomorrow is going to be perfect weather again, and I'm going to show you a perfect sandy, white sandy beach. We are taking a stroll now. It rains now a little bit now. Okay, maybe I jinxed it now. Why is it raining? There's no dark clouds, but I'm going to show you the beach. Check this out. Sun. Hot. Warm. We're getting back, guys. The rain depression has ended in Da Nang, Vietnam. Just had a coffee. Beautiful friends from Seattle here. And long-term patrons also from this channel. So shout out to you. But we're gonna have a look into this huge new place here, and I think there are some new spots in Barrett Urban Zone here. Barrett Urban Zone. I could imagine this is very cozy with the big fan here sitting around here. It's like a food court, which is very interesting. Maybe they need a little bit more different things, but maybe it is open at night. We're gonna check it out at night. I will get a different camera for the nighttime shots, and we're gonna check out this place. But it is basically a food court, so you can have food everywhere you want and sit here together, which is very good. Especially if you have friends who don't want to eat the same thing. That's very interesting. Tornado omelette rice. Wow. Breaded fried chicken pork, fried pork. Okay. Thai rolled ice cream. Huh. So what is this? Yanshi di. I don't understand what that is. This is new. It looks spicy. I have no idea what that is, guys. My Vietnamese friends, please explain. It looks Japanese, right? Or Chinese? No, Chinese, right? But it looks exciting. It looks spicy. Yang Shidan Nigia. Gia. Smell good, feel better. Aroma. Huh. I think it's pretty interesting. Maybe we should rent out a place here. I'm wondering how much they go for. But it's a little bit small, I would say. What can you do here? It's like you have water. You can have a sink. Do we have electricity? Maybe. Huh. We should have, because we should have electricity. Ah, over there. Look at this. Interesting. Okay, guys, what do you think? How much is this one little lot here? There's a bigger one here. I think they just finished up this area. I'm wondering what's upstairs there. It's so weird. Guys, the city is packed. But somehow there's not much interest in getting this all rented out. Huh. They just finished this thing here. This was the last to be finished. Those units here. What is this? This is a pool? What? Yo! Okay. All right. Screw your 5-star resort, man. I'm gonna swim here. It looks like a pool, right? Or is it just a fountain where people walk in by accident? Or what is this? What is it even? guys. So how funny would that be? Maybe have a beach club here. You sell coconuts, mojitos, whatever, and then you go here in the water. Guys, it's crazy. But this is how it looks here. They also have upstairs area here. That might be interesting for opening up a coffee shop here. Huh. Interesting. The whole place here. It's nice to see that they finished it up. I don't know what's happening over there. Okay guys, now I know what I'm gonna show you today. This neighborhood here, where I usually just walk by, because back then, I mean what back then, 3 years ago or 2 years ago, every time I walk the street it just smelled like trash, because trash, hotels, trash, it always smells bad here. It was always, I never walk here because it's just dirty and smell bad, but now it's better. There's still trash, but it's not that bad anymore. And it does not smell bad anymore. That's the good thing. Yeah, it does not smell bad here, guys. So this piece of land is still available here, I guess. I'm not sure what they're doing here. It's a little bit burning going on there. It's very interesting to see, like we are behind the fancy M Hotel, the fancy new Barrett Urban Zone. And then you have here people burning things, and it's just like empty lot and broken. But you know what I just see? Cheers. So this is gonna be Cheers. What? This is gonna be a beach, a bar? Cheers. Isn't the Cheers the thing in Sonja at the moment? The sports bar. Maybe it's gonna be a sports bar elevated. That would be cool. Because hypothetically, they might have beach view, right? Because right between, there's only a seafood restaurant over there. So this is the TMS Hotel. This here is the Antoy. And for you, Darren, I think you asked me about Balcona. This is the noise level on the backside. So in the front side, there's no construction. This construction is done. So Balcona, TMS, M Hotel, fine. There's no construction because this is done. This is the seafood restaurant Antoy. And this was a construction site, but it's done now too. So you have now here the Cheers. I don't know what this means. Zoo, chill zoo. Or maybe it's not the name. It's Cheers and chill. Maybe it's not the name. Maybe it's just Cheers. Hopefully. There's gonna be something opening up here soon. If not, maybe we have to do it. This is actually a nice area here. I kinda like it. I like it because it's so close to everything. Huh. We could do some huge meetups here. Check this out. It's so random. Huh. But you know what? We're gonna walk to the left and left again because there's this new restaurant. I wanna see how that looks. And what is inside here? What is that? Bhuja. I think it's an Indian restaurant. Yeah, Indian restaurant for vegetarian. And this year is gonna be also super interesting. And it feels like it's gonna be done in 1 or 2 months at least. I say 1 or 2 months. The only bad thing is like this ghost tower here. I hope they're gonna finish it. We desperately need this place to be done. I really hope they're gonna somehow, I don't know if they went bankrupt or it was during the corruption scandal, one of the pieces of property. Who knows? But I feel like something has to be done quick. Not sure how long you can have this in this state of construction before it falls apart. Check this out. I did a hotel review here once, and they're just completely renovating it. and it looks kind of nice. I'm not sure what it will be, but it's gonna be look nice. It's gonna be look nice. They're gonna make it very nice here. They also have toilets with ocean view. Very interesting. Good. A noodle shop here. And Antung by Nights, food and drink. Grand opening, 10 March to 20th March. Whenever you see this, you get some good deals. And look at this, they have Dance Latin. Interesting. Maybe you should try it out one time. Hello. It's a new place? Okay, cool. Oh, nice. They have rice dishes. Okay, let me see. Oh, okay. Oh, kimchi barbecue ribs. And seafood. Okay. Awesome. I will try it out soon, okay? Have a good day. Thank you. Interesting, guys. I think it's a great location. Check this out. The music is a little bit annoying though. I would ask them to turn this down. I don't know. Like, what is this music going to? Imagine having lunch and having to listen to this. But check this out. This is the night market. Still. A shame. But they're building something here. Huh. This vegetarian place. So if you're vegetarian, you have a beachfront spot here. Then you have a coffee shop right there. The FIFO coffee shop. I think this is one of the best locations here, guys. This is already closed. This was like a Russian restaurant. So interesting. Hi.
Bist du da? Ich kenne dich nicht, oder?
Ja.
In YouTube, oder?
Ja, genau, YouTube, ja. Okay, mach's gut, ja? Schönen Tag, ja? It's always weird. Sometimes Vietnamese talking to me. I think he's Vietnamese. But it's like either way they're talking German or English, and I'm like, yeah. But I have a lot of Vietnamese overseas watching my channel, guys. Also this one. And shout out to you. Hey guys, this is how it looks right now. The ocean is absolutely brutal. It's like ferocious. I love this word. Ferocious. I love this word so much. But yeah, let me know in the comments. Is this the right word to say? Ferocious ocean. Look at this, a cute dog. Yeah. Oh, you got a PJ on? Okay. This is not ferocious, but look at how many pigeons there are. They're feeding the pigeons here. But look at this ferocious ocean, guys. My God. I would not go in there right now. Even if you can swim good, I would not go in there, guys. Be aware. I think, yeah, 2 more days and we're gonna be fine again. Hopefully the ocean will be good, and then we can, I actually want to go to the island, to Cham Island. But this is how it looks. The sun comes out again. People will walk on the beach, getting some tan in. The beach is getting full again. Revenge beaching will be hard next week. So be aware it's gonna be super busy. As soon as the first day hit, sunny and perfect ocean, the beach will be completely packed. It's like every time it's the same. And they're working very hard here, so I think it's gonna be done very soon. Very, very soon. Oh my God, look at it. Ah! I can feel it. Oh man. You gotta be careful here in Vietnam. I'm wondering what this will be, guys. Right next to Holiday Beach. I hope it's gonna be a nice coffee shop or some restaurant, something nice. It looked so ugly, but now finally they're doing something with it. I'm excited. And I hope they're finishing up this building too, before this building, or maybe do it at the same time. That would be great. One time I want to make a video. Oh, you know what I want to see? I want to see how the rainwater system, drainage system is working right now. So the last time we walked here, it was full of sand and nothing went out, but it rained now for a whole week. So that means there has to be smelly, nasty water coming out again. And I think it is. Yep. As you see here, it's probably the, yep, as you can see. You remember? Last time we walked over here and it was full of sand and there was a family picnicking there. Now it's coming all the nasty water out from the rainwater, getting all the way in the water again. I would not go in the water here right now, but it comes also very close, guys. Wow. Jeez. Check this out. How strong, how ferocious this ocean is. Look at this. Look at this. How far the water comes. This is crazy. You cannot even walk there now. So she has to walk now through the water. Check this out. It's like crazy. Yeah. Treibgut. Trash, plastic from the ocean comes all the way up to here. They even put all the boats out here because it's probably not safe at the moment. They're trying to avoid the water, but yeah, this is not looking nice, guys. And it smells very bad. Whew. Let's check out the update on the beach club here. I want to know who does that. Who's the owner of this beach club? And are they gonna build a wall or not? But yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there, guys. Just looks more chaotic. Oh yeah, okay. I cannot walk in there. There's a security guy. All good. I hope they build a wall here. Dana Beach, seafood restaurant, beach bar and karaoke. I think this is the last name of this whole place here. So this was the beach bar, this is the karaoke, and yeah. Okay. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like this video, hit the subscribe button, it's free, and see you in the next one.